830 series high-definition digital microscope is the latest product of Eoc Company. With 2 MP pixels 1920 by 1080 resolution high-definition imaging. The industrial camera uses a half-inch supersized photosensitive sensor. High color reproduction and imaging clarity, which is the best of the same level of microscopes. 24-154x continuous digital zoom adjustable. At the same time would take photo, video record and 15 types of plane measurement functions. Widely used in a variety of industrial and non-industrial industry applications. It has the advantages of high-definition imaging, complete functions and high-cost performance. It is the best new product of Eoc Company this year.